Before using your mower for the first time, you'll need to prepare your lawn. Start by cutting the grass with a push mower so the height is under 10 centimeters. Then remove cables, stones, toys, or any obstacles that may block the mower. Before installing the charging station, check the Wi-Fi signal at the selected location on your phone. The Wi-Fi signal should have at least one bar to ensure stable connectivity. If Wi-Fi is unavailable, the mower can operate via its integrated 4G connection. The station can be placed in a sheltered location, such as under eaves or inside a shed. After assembly, place it on a flat surface. The ground slope must be less than 5 degrees. Make sure the QR code on the station is clean and unobstructed. Position the front of the station facing an open area. Leave at least 2 meters of clear space in front so the mower can dock smoothly. When installing near a wall, maintain a gap of at least 5 centimeters. When everything is positioned correctly, secure the base to the ground using the 8 screws provided. Then connect the power. When the tower indicator turns green, the station is ready. When pairing with the app, keep the mower on the charging station, ensure the battery level is above 50%, and confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection. Press and hold the power button to turn on the mower. Enter the code 0000 to activate standby mode. Press and hold the start button for 5 seconds. When APP appears on the display, the mower is in pairing mode. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure you select a 2.4 GHz network. The mower cannot connect to 5 GHz networks. Open the Kress RTKN app. Tap Add EyePilot. Scan the QR code on the rear of the mower to enter the Wi-Fi setup screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. When the phone shows connected, tap Confirm. In the app, tap Firmware Update. The update will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. When both indicators on the tower are green, the Wi-Fi connection is complete. Open the app and tap Create Map to begin mapping your lawn automatically. Then tap Start. After a short self-check, the mower will leave the station and follow the lawn boundary automatically. You can walk alongside the mower to observe the boundary tracking. If the charging station is installed outside the lawn, after tapping Create Map, the mower will move forward briefly and then stop. In this case, switch to manual mapping mode. Guide the mower into the lawn area, then switch back to automatic mode to begin mapping. During automatic mapping, you can switch to manual mode at any time using the on-screen prompt or manual mapping icon. Press Erase. The mower will reverse and remove the previous path. Then guide the mower closer to the edge manually before switching back to automatic mode. If there are areas you want the mower to avoid, you can define them as no-go zones. In the app, tap Add More and select No-Go Zone. First, use the manual controls to guide the mower to the boundary of the restricted area. Guide the mower to the starting point and tap Reached Start Point. Then guide the mower around the area. If your garden has more than one lawn area, you can connect them by creating a path. In the app, tap Add More and select Path. As with a no-go zone, guide the mower to the start point and tap Reached Start Point, then guide it along the path to the next lawn area. Tap Done to complete the path setup. To add another zone, tap Add More and select Zone. Start automatic mapping. the mower will automatically follow the boundary and return to the starting point. Tap Complete Mapping or tap Add More to continue adding paths and zones if needed. Once all mapping is completed, tap the Start icon in the app to begin mowing, or tap the Home icon to return the mower to the charging station. If you only want to mow a specific area, select that zone in the app. The mower will navigate to the selected zone and begin mowing. If the boundary changes, like when a flower bed is removed, you can edit the map in the app. Tap the Edit on the map page, select the area to modify, then go to Settings and choose Edit Perimeter. Guide the mower from the starting point to the end point along the new boundary, then confirm. The updated section will replace the original map. With Smart Trim enabled, the mower uses AI to adjust how it cuts along the edges. It can cut slightly over the boundary or stay tight to the edge, reducing uncut grass. With GeoTrace anti-theft device, you can define a boundary range from 5 to 500 meters beyond the mowing area. If the mower moves outside this range, an alert is triggered and operation is disabled. In the Schedule menu, you can set the days and times you want the mower to run. Once scheduled, the mower will run automatically based on your schedule. Under Cutting Pattern, you can choose how you want your lawn to look: a natural finish with random mowing, or clean stripes with the planned mowing pattern. You can also adjust the stripe angle. For smaller models under 1,000 square meters, the cutting height is adjusted directly on the machine. For all 4WD models, the cutting height can be adjusted in the app. With Kress EyePilot, enjoy course-grade precision for your best lawn ever, season after season.